Hello lovely people, you welcome back to my channel. On this video I'm going to be sharing with you the way I make my smoothies at home using avocado, banana and strawberry. This smoothie is going to make your skin glow like never before. Guys, stay tuned and see the way I make my smoothie. Bye. Okay guys, as you can see, I have my avocado, my strawberry and banana. Okay, I'm just going to peel it off. Okay guys. My avocado is here. This is my avocado. Just add my avocado inside. Okay guys, this is it. My strawberry, banana and avocado. I'm just going to add a little water. Okay guys, just added some water and then I blend together. Okay guys, this is very healthy for the body. It will make your skin glow. Just try this smoothie at home. Try it at home and then you tell me the result of it. Please guys, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload any of my video, you will be the first to be notified, guys. Also give a thumbs up. Okay? Comment down below my video. As you can see, this is it. Okay guys. So it's ready. Okay guys, it's ready. You can drink now. This is it. My smoothie is ready. Wow. Guys, try this at home. Okay guys, you can see this is very healthy for the body. Very, very good. Try this at home and comment down below. Tell me how you see my smoothie. As you do so, God bless you. Okay guys, as you can see, this is my smoothie. It's very good for the body. It will make your skin glow. Just try this at home. Very easy to go. Use your avocado, banana and strawberry. It's very, very good. This is good, guys. Try this at home and let me know the result of it. See you guys on my next video. Stay tuned, stay good, and bye for now. Bye. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys.